Mastering English, the art of blending techniques. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're diving into an exciting aspect of the English language, blending techniques. Understanding how to blend sounds and words is crucial for both speaking and listening in English. It helps you sound more natural and improves your comprehension skills. So, let's explore the world of blending techniques together. Blending techniques involve combining the sounds of individual letters or the sounds of multiple words to create a new sound or word. In English, this is essential for pronunciation and fluency. For example, when we say, don't know, it often sounds more like dunno in natural speech. This blending makes the language flow more smoothly and is a key part of sounding like a native speaker. Blending isn't just for words. It starts with sounds within words. When we say a word like think, we're blending the sounds of th, I, n, and k seamlessly. Practicing blending sounds helps with pronunciation, making it easier to speak and understand English. We'll practice by breaking down words into their sounds and then blending them together gradually. When speaking quickly or informally, English speakers often blend entire words together. This can be seen in phrases like gonna, going to, wanna, want to, and lemme, let me. Understanding these blends is crucial for listening comprehension, especially in casual conversations or in movies and TV shows. We'll look at common examples and practice identifying and using them. To master blending, practice is key. Here are some tips. Listen actively to native speakers and try to notice how they blend sounds and words. Practice speaking and focus on smoothly combining sounds and words, starting slowly and then increasing your speed. Record yourself to hear which blends you're doing well and which need more work. That wraps up our exploration of blending techniques in English. Remember, mastering blending can significantly improve your speaking and listening skills, making you sound more like a native speaker. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we learn. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this video has been helpful. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.